Hello there. Right, I've just been cutting the grass and all of a sudden my John Deere L120 that you can see there has just completely cut out and won't start. When you look at the screen, I've got battery power, as you can see. But what it turned out to be in the end is you've got a brake on these, the safety brake, which stops it engaging. If you've not got the handbrake down, you won't be able to start the engine. So what it turned out to be is when I looked inside at the bottom of the bar under the hood, if you look in here, this here is your safety switch, which gets engaged by the handbrake up here. All that had happened with this, there was nothing wrong with it, but on the side of it, if you can see these bits here are like a tongue. All that they do, there's a little place for them inside here. I'm just going to slot it back in. You've got to let the brake off to do that. Right, all you do, it's difficult to see the sun with it, but you slot it inside like that. That's it, and it was just this little tongue here that had popped out, and once that's back in, you should be able to close it up, and then the engine should start, hopefully, once you put the gear back in. Handbrake. Right, that was it. I hope that helps you. See you later.